Hello, welcome to my boat shop. This is tour number 5. Today we're going to talk about this Chris Craft Holiday 1951 23-foot slant back, which is a rare version of it. It's a beautiful boat. It was definitely in disrepair when I got it. And this for sure was labor of love. There's no way I can ever get my time out of this boat if I sold it for $100,000. Well, we'll never do that though. But it's a beautiful lines, beautiful color. And here's again is the build sheet that I always try and get. You can see it's a 23-foot Holiday. Chris Craft has a NBLH motor in it, totally rebuilt. And back in 1951, this boat was ordered and shipped to Minnesota. It was full of leaves, raccoon feces, you name it. It was in there, but I just love all the detail of this boat. I'm sorry for the ladder, but I'm going to use that to get up inside there. It's too tall. And I just love the back end of these. They just got a lot of character, a lot of design features. You can see down below here, I never really have taken the time to show you the rudders and the props. This is a single engine, single exhaust. But a lot of room, a lot of character to these boats. And it does have a teak floor in it, which is pretty sweet. And as we walk around here, we'll take a step up inside. And you know, here in the back end, this is what made me fall in love with this boat, is this curvature of this back seat. Kind of reminds you of the old lounges back in the day of the big bands and things of that nature. But you can see a lot of room. These have a banjo steering wheel. Full set of Chris Craft gauges, all working order. Spotlight. And if you got the lounge seat, you definitely have to have the serving bar up front. I don't have the glasses or the bottles of wine in here, but they can definitely be added. Kind of a neat little feature. Up in the cuddy, got plenty of room. Store life jackets, oars, emergency items. But beautiful dash, lots of leg room up here. And take you back and show you this beautiful engine after it's been totally restored. At hatch, it easily lifts up, but straight 6 Hercules Chris Craft engine, got a velvet drive transmission, smooth running. Actually, this darn thing starts better than a new boat in my book. But anyway, again, this is for sale. Anybody interested in it is just in time for boating season, and you definitely will be the talk of the lake wherever you're at. Anyway, I hope you guys definitely enjoy all these little videos I'm doing. I'm not the perfect person to be filming, that's for sure, but anyway, look forward to number 6. Have a good day.